Say good morning to those of you listening Classic Radio, GBN TV. Welcome to the Mid-Morning Buzz, folks. I'm your host, GT. And today, folks, we're joined by some special guests with me this morning. I guess I could refer to you as by the first name basis, Desree and Judy. Welcome. They're representing Beacon Insurance Company this morning, and we're here to talk about Beacon's, how Beacon is celebrating, Grenada's 50th independence in a special way. Well, it's kind of post-independence now. So do you understand? But whatever they're going to be talking about this morning will certainly come along. It's about a year of celebrations. We're talking about a year and so forth. So they're going to tell us a lot. Tell us about, how do you tell us about this exciting promotion that Beacon has us launch? Grenada's Golden Jubilee. Tell us about it. Who's going to grab that conversation this morning? We have Desree and Judy. Who's going to be kicking it off this morning? So welcome once again.
Thank you. Good morning, GT, and thank you again for having us. Okay, so I will start off this morning by, first of all, let's chat a little about how Beacon has embarked on celebrating our 50th independence.
All right.
And we at Beacon have decided to celebrate by offering to our clients and to the public two wonderful and exciting products and offers that can help you in achieving your insurance needs. First of all, we have the early qualifier for our 50 plus, and secondly, we have an exciting $50 gas voucher giveaway for any client that does a new policy with Beacon.
All right.
I will now turn over to Judy, who is going to give you a little more information on our first exciting offer, the early qualifier.
All right, tell us about it, Judy. Tell us about it.
All right, hi GT, and thanks for having us again.
All right, Judy sounds as the quiet one in the midst, right? Or is it my voice overpowering for some reason?
I think it's your voice.
All right, go right ahead.
Okay, so the name of that promotion that we have is Beacon's 50 Plus Early Qualification Offer. All right, we know that drivers have accumulated years of experience on the road over these years, and we want them to be rewarded for that.
Great.
So for any person who will be turning 50 during this year, 2024,
like I go qualify.
Let's see what happens. We'll have to check your ID. And if you are already 50 or over, you can qualify to enjoy the wonderful benefits of this plan.
All right. It's as simple as you said. If you're going to be turning 50 this year, so I'm assuming you're 49.
Not 40.
And some to come.
Yes.
All right? I mean, in a couple of months, you probably, because this promotion is all part of Grenada's 50th anniversary of independence.
Yes.
Right. So you're 49. Maybe I'm getting it wrong. Repeat it again for me.
Yes, you will be turning 50 during this year.
Okay.
So from now to December 31st, once you will be taking 50 years, or if you're already 50 years and above, you are qualified.
So once you're 50 already, you're automatic qualification there for you.
Yes.
All right. And once you're 49, will be 50.
Yes.
You also get also qualified.
Okay. Judy, just to add in a little here, you qualify if you're turning 50 before the end of the year.
Okay, before the end of 2024.
The offer ends at the end of June.
Okay. If you're going to be turning 50 before the end of 2024, you can qualify.
Yes.
But the offer that you're extending it wraps up in June.
Wraps up at the end of June.
All right.
Yes.
All right. So if I have to ask now, if I want to get into the promotion now, yes, I am 49, going to be turning 50, maybe August. I can still be part of the promotion.
Well, definitely.
All right. Sometimes you need that little small clarification in between to get things right. So tell me this. Tell me a little bit more about this 50 plus plan. Tell me a little bit more about it.
All right, so it's a special car insurance that is tailored specifically for age 50 and over, drivers age 50 and over.
All right.
Right, this is the exception here is where you'll be 49, turning 50. But the plan itself is tailored for 50 years and over.
All right.
You get benefits such as free windscreen up to $2,500.
All right.
You get free loss of use. You get free special perils. That's what we call the hurricane cover, earthquake,
All right.
So all these things are free under this package.
All right. And that's basically for your vehicle insurance, more or less. For your vehicle insurance, more or less.
Yes.
Now, tell me. And now with the promotion, drivers 49 turning 50 anytime this year, as you mentioned before. How can they take advantage and of in terms of the early, should I say, are qualified early enough? Tell me about that.
Well, they will have to contact our office. Contact us. We will provide you with a quotation, and as I said, once we check your age and you're within the requirement, then you're automatically qualified.
All right.
So you just have to contact us.
Let's switch gears a little bit. We've spoken about VAL, and I'm assuming our listeners and viewers has grasped the concept of the first segment we had. Now, tell us about the Beacon second, because this is that double dose that we're talking here about now. All right, it's like 50 by 2 or 50 twice. You can say that. Tell us about the 50th Independence Anniversary promotion now. Tell us about that.
Okay, so for any clients that applies for a comprehensive private motor policy, you automatically qualify to get, guess what? $50 worth of gas voucher.
All right. It's as simple as that.
As simple as that.
Repeat it again. Repeat it again. Probably somebody missed it that you said it the first time.
Okay, so celebrating 50 with $50 gas voucher.
Yeah.
Any private motor policy, once it's a comprehensive, once you come in, you sign up, and you get your cover. You go straight to the gas station, $50 worth of gas.
And I like that part of it where you said that, because I guess that, there may be individuals who are listening and viewing now may miss that part. It's all for the comprehensive.
All for the comprehensive.
Who's going to be taking that?
Private.
Comprehensive private.
Yes, so
all
the
right.
regular private motor and the 50 plus. So guess what? The 50 plus clients are getting it double dose this
All
time.
right, so they're getting 50-50.
50-50.
All right, interesting. Maybe I should become get signed up. Yeah, I think I'm already a customer, so I don't know what I'm saying. I'm already a customer. Anyway, tell me though. No, Beacon has been. No, tell me about this. How long this particular promotion will be running, and who's actually eligible to participate in this particular promotion? You did mention, you're gonna be 50. If you're 49, gonna be 50 and 50 plus. But tell me, how can an individual who is eligible to participate in this particular promotion? When I say that under the conditions, well, I'm already like myself. I'm already a Beacon insurance customer. Am I still eligible to participate in this? So tell me, how long? Let's kick it off first with how long the promotion runs for, because I guess we missed that part.
So the $50 free gas card, that goes up to the end of March.
End of March, okay.
And basically, it's, as we said, it's a new policy. Once you start up a new policy within that period, you automatically qualify for the $50 gas voucher.
All right. And so in terms of the eligibility part of it, how that fits in terms of individual being eligible for the eligible part of it?
Okay, so like we said, it's new business. It's a way of rewarding clients for new business. So GT, I think you need to purchase a new vehicle.
So tell me. So for the benefit of the viewers and listeners here now, how can an individual take advantage of this particular offer?
So it's not only for a new vehicle that you're purchasing. If you wish to switch insurer, you're coming over to renew, it will be a new policy to us, a new client to us, a new customer to us. You are eligible once you have the...
so that's what the eligibility pops in there now.
Vehicle,
so you don't always have to purchase a new vehicle, but you could be insured at a different company, policy, but you want to move over to Beacon.
That's right.
You become eligible for the offers also.
You are.
Interesting. Any other information you want to share in terms of, for benefit of our listeners and viewers this morning? They probably want to get in contact and they listen. This has probably drawn their attention just a wee bit, and they're thinking, hey, maybe I should be switching to Beacon. Information you want to throw out in terms of how they can get in contact?
Yes, you can call us. We have 3 branches here in Grenada. Cali's branch, we have Grenville office, and we have Carriacou office.
All right.
But you can call us at 440-4447. Or you can go onto our website, www.beacongrenada.com, and you can go on there and get as much information as it is regarding our products, inclusive of this offer.
All right. Now, we haven't stopped talking about promotions right now. We're getting into, of course, another segment of the conversation this morning. We're talking about the premium financing. Let's get into this particular promotion as well. When I say, what is premium financing, if I have to ask this question?
Okay, so premium financing, as the word says, it's a facility or it's a avenue that clients can use to pay their premium.
Okay.
We all know that sometimes it's very difficult to come up with the full premium at renewal or at a new business.
All right.
So Beacon have decided to assist in ensuring that customers, clients, our family in general can afford the insurance and ensure that your vehicle is covered. Through Northwest Premium Financing, which is a subsidiary of Beacon, we have embarked on this venture. Now, Northwest has been in existence for over 30 years in Trinidad, and Grenada been one of the branches, and Grenada been one of our stars, Beacon stars.
Okay.
Beacon have decided to launch this product in Grenada. So basically what it is, it's affordable premiums. Right. What you do, you come in, you do your new business, you do your new renewal, and you set up premium finance, and it basically means you get to pay your premium in monthly installments.
Okay.
So imagine you can choose a 3 months plan or a 6 months plan or even a 9 or 11 months plan. So you pay a collateral or a small upfront payment, which allows you to be covered, and every month, just as you would with maybe your water or phone or any other bill, you can add it into your budget and you can make that small payment. And the exciting thing, Beacon is the first insurance in Grenada to offer this.
All right.
To its clients.
That seems to be a bit of have your mind flowing a wee bit in terms of getting that. So tell me, how does the premium financing actually works? How does it actually works?
Well, it's a very seamless process.
Yeah.
You come into our office directly by direct visit, or you call in, or even if you have a broker, you go to your broker. Yeah. You let them know that you want to do premium financing through Beacon. We give you the relevant quotation with the options, the 3, the 6, the 9, the 11 months, how you want to pay. And once you accept, you make your selection, you do the application form, and you submit it along with a valid ID, proof of address, and the upfront payment. All this process takes less than 10 minutes. Yeah. And that's it.
That's it.
And you don't necessarily have to come into the office. You can go online, Northwest Premium Finance website. We can email you the application form. You can fill it out, send it back by email. Payment can be done online, so you don't even have to come to the office to do it.
All right. I mean, it's the way of the world today anyway. You understand that. Tell me, is there an approval process? So, example, I've gone and made the necessary processing that I went through in terms of, making the application and so forth. Is there a process in, how could I put it? Is there an approval process? So do I have to wait a year, 6 months, 3 months? You said it's quick in terms of the signing up process, but the approval process, is there, how is that? That flows.
Well, once all these documents that I just mentioned are
submitted,
Northwest pays Beacon the full premium.
Okay.
Right away, that is done, and you just have to start making your monthly payments.
All right.
On the following month.
All right.
There's no lengthy process here.
All right.
Okay, Judy, just to add into what Judy is saying, the premium, however, has to be $800 and more.
Okay. Premium $800 and more, but you have the option of paying it in monthly installments.
In monthly installments.
Instead of say what that one lump sum of
yes.
one
So
time.
the total premium for the new business or the renewal of the policy, and it applies to property, it applies to motor. All you have to do once it's over $800, as Judy said, you have the form completed, you make your upfront payment, and you're on.
You know, because it's a question that was running through my mind. I'm listening to you talking about the premium financing, but I was thinking, who qualifies for it? You understand? That was a question I wanted to ask, but somehow you kind of got it in. Who qualifies for it? So it doesn't mean it could be for someone wants to insure their home.
Yes.
You understand? Someone wants to insure their car or whatever insurance policy that they're looking for, and that's where the premium financing comes in. All right.
Anyone can qualify.
Anyone could. Now, are there any fees that will attach to this?
There are no application fees.
Okay.
All right. We have for the monthly payment, if you miss your payment by 7 days, by the 8th day, there would be a late fee of $30 attached. But there are no promotional fees, no application fees.
All right, so there's no fee that you have to pay and say, okay, well, I want to sign up, there's a fee. But I'm assuming, so when you say there's no fee, let me see if I can get this correct. Could you know, sometimes you sign up and they say, hey, you have to pay a 50% or whatever percentage down. That doesn't apply for that.
The upfront payment is a percentage, but that is within the premium.
Okay. Understand. So now, what happens if payment or premium or the premium finance early? How is that? How that can be taken care of?
Well, if someone signs up, let's say for the 11 months and pay off within a month or so, there will be a rebate applicable to that client.
Okay. Now, I'm listening to this premium finance and on the other promotion that we spoke about. It's interesting. You know, anything else you want to tell our listeners and viewers that probably will encourage them to want to, hey, let me make that call or get to the website and get myself anything further you want to show to them?
Okay, so let me just say that when making the selection process, right, choosing how much months, you have to do it based on your needs, do it to suit your needs. So if, let's say, it's just a matter of you short for a little cash this month or for a little period coming, you might say, okay, let me just take the 3 months or the 6 months because, or if it is that you just want to be comfortable as you pay your normal utilities, you just want to be comfortable monthly paying your normal expenditures, then you say, okay, let me go for the 11 months or the 9 months because it's a small amount you're paying every month.
So it's a bit of way of spreading it out a wee bit.
Fits in normally with your normal monthly expenditure.
All right. Yeah. Anything funny you want to add to that, Desree?
Well, basically, I just want to encourage the listening public to come into Beacon, call us, visit our website, where we have quite a lot of exciting products and that is available out there. We offer motor, we offer marine, we offer casualty lines, we offer fire. We try to cater for every need. We try, as we said, at Beacon, we're a family, and we're welcoming everyone out there to join the Beacon family. Be a part of it. Experience the joy of the 50 plus, free gas vouchers, our service. Come in, be part of the Beacon family. We would love to have you.
All right. Anything in closing, both of you? Anything in closing you want to mention,
Just
Judy?
one thing though, because sometimes persons inquire when you tell them Northwest Premium Finance, they want to know if this is some other company you're sending them to. Northwest Premium Finance is Beacon owned.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So we keep it within the family. We're not sending you to a stranger to do your premium finance. It's Beacon.
I am certainly happy that you had that clarified a wee bit. All right. I want to thank you both for sharing information this morning. I certainly hope all listening and viewing audience may have some all information that will be thrown out this morning, and of course come down to Beacon and take care of business, as we would say. Thank you so much once again.
All right. And thanks for having us.
No problem at all. Hey, folks, that's how we take a wrap for this segment of the Mid-Morning Buzz here on Classic Radio and GBN TV. Join us again for another edition. So we say goodbye for this segment.
This is a hard...